Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a complete overview of the UPPAbaby Vista V2 Stroller. I'll be going over the seats, how you break it down, how you collapse it, how you set it all up. I'll go through everything. And we actually got this when our oldest was 2 years old. He's now 5, so we had it for 3 years. It's been a fantastic stroller. So happy that we got this one because we've been able to basically transition from him being a little guy up until like a full-blown little kiddo. And we have the car seat. The car seat's just in our basement. I'm not gonna go pull it out, but we've used it for our oldest. We're now using it for our second, and now we're using it for Tommy, our youngest, who's 1.5 years old. And it's been a fantastic stroller as our boys kind of grow up and they can kind of transition from each of the seats. So we've taken this to Disneyland 3 times and have confidently put over 100 miles on this stroller. And it's surprising because even after 3 years, it not only looks still brand new, but actually works like it's brand new. So right here, you can see that it just turns on a dime. Just with like one finger, you can easily turn and navigate the entire stroller. And what's kind of really cool is that actually I feel like the more weight that you put on it, the easier it is to actually turn and like maneuver. So kudos to UPPAbaby for figuring that out, because I don't know what kind of technology, like black magic that was, but it's amazing. So just real quick, I'm just going to show you how to kind of like take everything apart. You've got these 2 buttons on the sides of the stroller that if you press down, it'll release it, and then you can just pull up and remove each of the seats. So it's the same for the bottom seats as well. You simply push on these 2 little buttons on the sides, and then after doing so, you just lift up and it releases the entire car seat. So when going to collapse this stroller down, it's easy to first remove both of the seats, put them in the back of the car, and then actually collapse the stroller down. Another cool thing is that it has these like bi-directional rails, so you can actually flip it and then remount it onto the stroller. So this makes it nice if like you don't want like your kids to actually be in the sun. You can do it with the front as well, but it's kind of weird because like their feet kind of go into the bottom pocket. It's got this button on the top that if you press, it like adjusts the angle, so you can recline it all the way to it being flat. If you don't have that front seat there, you can go all the way back. But then it has these little notches where it locks into place, so you can recline it as like preferred. So if your kid's like taking a nap and you don't want their faces to be in the sun, it's really simple to like flip it and then angle it so that they can kind of continue napping. Then you have these 2 little circles that if you press them down together, you can bring back, I would say, the footrest, and you can recline and adjust the footrest as you see fit. Again, it has like these different it's like notches that they lock into place. But you can have it be relaxed all the way back so the kids can't even rest their feet, all the way to up like this. I don't know when you'd ever use it like that, but it has been nice actually to have it angled like that when we have a front seat, so that, you know, the kids' feet aren't going right into our front kids' head. So you have this like dual locking arm bar that you simply snap it into place right here, and then you have this little button that releases it. So it snaps it, releases it. It has this button on both sides, so you can release it from either side. And then it has like a 360, like almost like a gyro swivel on both sides, which allows you to like rotate them completely. And then like you see here, you can completely remove it if you want to. Oh man, it looks like I barely caught it in the filming, but you have these little straps that kind of lock them into place, and you can adjust them. It has these little shoulder pads that kind of make it so that it's comfortable and it doesn't hurt. It has this interesting like buckle system, so it has a buckle on each side, so both the males go into the female at the bottom, and then they click into place, and then you have this simple button in the middle, which if you press it, releases it on both sides. You have this nice little like retracting canopy. It's like a sunshade. That's great for, you know, obviously for like weather protection, sun protection. And then you have this second one that I believe is UPF50 sunshade. So it's great for sun protection, and it's just like a nice little addition so that, you know, they can stay rested. It has this little magnetic flap on the back. There's 2 magnetics on both of the corners of the flap, which allows you to kind of like peek in and see if your kid's okay, and then like, you know, slowly close it. It's got a mesh as well, so to prevent like any kind of bugs or anyone from kind of coming inside. Okay, one of the things that we love most is this little braking system. So it's just a simple button on the right-hand side behind the back rear wheel. You press it, it goes green. It allows you to like roll around. You press it again. There we go. and it locks it into place, and then your stroller's not moving anywhere. It's fantastic because it actually locks both the rear wheels, so not just the right wheel. So when you lock it into place, like, that thing stays in place, and that's been fantastic. Like, we've had both of our kids in the seats, and then maybe one of them is playing off around, and it's easy to be like, hey, wait, you know, we want to take a picture or something. And so it's easy to just like simply click that into place and then take out our little phone and take a picture of our kids, and then kind of like get right back to strolling. So this deep pocket, I don't know how deep it is, but it's huge. It's massive. And if it ever gets dirty, which it often does for us, it's simply easy just to like remove it, and then it's machine washable. It's got these 2 pockets in the back, and I would say that we could fit like 3 diaper bags comfortably, my son's backpack, and then like an entire snack bag back there. And that would last us all throughout like Disneyland for like a 10-hour trip. So 10-hour walking trip. So it's really deep, and we really like that about it. It has this little button here on the handle, which allows you to extend it or contract it. So if you press on it, it'll go all the way deep down. This is nice if you wanted to have like more of a controlled maneuvering. And then you can extend it like this, which gives, I like it better because I'm a little taller, and it allows it just more like relaxed strolling. And then you have these buttons right here. So once you've removed the car seats, the stroller seats, and then if you just pull on those triggers, it'll kind of like collapse it down. And then one thing important to note also is that it has like this little locking system right here on the left, right there. And that'll actually have like a buckle, will actually go into that spot and then lock it into place. So as you can see here, you can pull both the triggers, and then it'll release it. So you pull it again and pull the triggers, and then it releases the whole thing. And then that little side button like locks into place. And then you can throw it in the back of your car. So you can throw it in the back of your car with your car seat. I tend to take both of the seats out because it's just easier to hold it. With the stroller and both the seats, it comes out to about 78 pounds. So it can get pretty heavy. So if you don't want to remove the car seats, you better be like tough as nails in order to throw that thing around. So I just like to remove both of them, and then it comes out to about, 30 pounds, 35 pounds as an actual stroller. So right here is where the button is. You're gonna have to press on that far enough so that the little latch kind of releases it, and then it'll just spring into its setup and then lock into place, and you're good to go. So if you pull those 2 triggers on both the rails, it'll lock it back into place. Let me see if I can get a better angle for you. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this next part with one hand, so don't mind the jankiness. But you're gonna press on this little trigger right here. You're gonna push on it far enough so that that little notch is released. See what I'm talking about? And it didn't work because I didn't push it far enough, but if I pushed it far enough there, and then boom, flips into action. Look at that bad boy. It was a quick setup time. So after 3 years, we've loved it for the comfort, the maneuverability, the ease of use, and it's just like a really good looking stroller. Last thing to note is these like little extensions. So if you press on this button here, it'll release it, and then you can simply just put it back into place. And what this allows is for you to actually turn this into like a 2-seat stroller instead of just a single-seat stroller. So you can put one in the front. And then this is the little bassinet. So the bassinet was fantastic for when we had Tommy as well as when we had Dawson. We actually got this as like an add-on afterwards, but it's great because you can replace it with the top seat, and then it lays flat, and your little like newborn or infant can just like sleep in that. It's just like a mobile little canopy crib. It's so fantastic. So just like the other seats, they just lock into place easily. Let me show you. There you go. And it'll just lock into place. And then this one's just a little bit different. It's the middle button on the top that actually allows it to be released. Whereas with the other ones that adjusts like the recline or the decline of the chair, this one actually, that middle button actually allows you to remove the entire bassinet. And then it has these 2 circle buttons in the middle. And then by pressing on those, it'll actually like recline the little canopy flat. And then just like the seat rests, it can adjust at like different notch points and lock into place all the way until it's like, at a 90 degree. And then it also has like a little UPF50 sunshade, which gives like a little mesh on the sides, which allows it for it to be breathable, but then also like blocks from the sun and whatnot. So So like I said, it was one of the best investments that we've ever made for our kids. It's very easy to use, easy to set up, easy to take down. I love the modularity of it, being able to put the seats in different positions, different places on the actual car seat. I love that it's so easy to collapse down and to throw easily in the back of our car. I feel like it's really engineered with like the kids' safety and comfort in mind. It feels like they also took the parents' suggestions to heart, because it felt so easy to move, maneuver, and push around. We've had it for 3 years. Like I said, we've brought it to Disneyland a few times. We've put over 100 miles on these things. We've thrown our 5-year-old in the actual like little bag area after his soccer game when he was too tired. Put our Dawson, our 2-year-old, in the top seat, our 1-year-old in the front seat, and yeah, the thing is just fantastic. So anyways, that is my product review of the UPPAbaby Vista V2 stroller, and I hope you found it helpful.